Hi there. Welcome to lesson 2 of the instructor's tutorial on how to tutor on the iAfricaCooP educational platform. In this lesson, we will go through the registration process and how to complete your profile. If you go on to Google and type in education.iafricacoop.com, you'll be taken to this web page, and on the menu, there is the dashboard. You won't be able to see what's on the dashboard unless you have logged in. So for those who have an account already, you can log in to your account. Otherwise, you go to the instructor's registration. And for the purpose of today's lesson, we will go to the instructor registration. And from there, you can complete your details, your name, last name, your username, and your password has to be at least 7 characters long. Click enter, register as an instructor. You'll be taken to this page. Thank you for registering as an instructor. You can now go and view your dashboard and complete your profile. So here we are. Your application is pending from this day that you would have submitted it. Now we can complete our profile. The dashboard that's appearing is for the students section only. You see, you have your here, all your enrolled courses or your active courses and your completed courses will appear there. And your profile, enrolled courses, wish list, reviews, your quiz attempts, purchase history, settings, and logging out. So we want to complete our profile whilst we wait for the admin of the site to approve this registration. So you go to your settings. On the settings tab, on the settings page, you can then update your cover photo and your picture. It's important because this is how prospective students will view your courses. They will see your picture or your cover picture together with the courses that you are providing online. So you can complete all that section, including your bio, where you will enter perhaps your qualifications, your experience, and any information that you think may be necessary. Right, and you can also set links to your, if you've got a website or your social media accounts, your LinkedIn, Facebook, or any other that you may want to link with this account. So you update your profile. You can also, on this, okay, for now we will wait until the admin has approved our application, then we can complete the rest of the profile. After a few minutes, your application will be approved, and you can go back to the dashboard. It will appear. Okay, now you can see there is two sections. The top section, the one which was appearing for the students, and now as an instructor, after being approved as an instructor, you have this board where you can keep track of the total number of students, the total number of courses, and the earnings that you have accumulated. Also at the bottom here, you've got the instructor column where you have a list of all the courses that you have uploaded. Okay, at the moment there are no courses that we have, and all your earnings, your withdrawals, quiz attempts from students, and any questions and answers that students might be having, in your settings and your logout. So let's complete our banking details. We go to settings, then withdraw. It will take you to a page. On this page where you can select your preferred withdrawal method. Either you may want a bank transfer to your account, or you want to receive your money through PayPal. So a bank transfer, you enter your account details, bank name, account number, and your name. Then you save the withdrawal account. From there, after completing everything, okay, on this top part, the ratings, students will be able to rate you as a tutor. So your rating will always appear next to your picture, your name. So now that's it for registering on the platform. We can now go on and add a new course. So see you on lesson 2, where we will be adding a new course.